Hello everyone, this is Tech Queen Roxy from Diabetics. In this video, I will show you how you can visualize streamlines in Paraview. So let's start by opening our case. So here we have a typical Diabetics heatsink design. So the fluid region is visible. Streamlines are generated with a stream tracer filter. Go to Filters, Common, and select Stream Tracer, or simply click on this button over here. Streamlines are generated for a vector field, so you can select the vector field over here. In this case, we have the velocity. And streamlines are generated by integrating them starting from a collection of seeds. You can change the seed type over here. So in this case, we have a high resolution line source visible. You can see the line source on screen. You can change the position by changing the parameters over here or by simply dragging the green dot over here. And we can also change the resolution, for example, to 500. We will hide the line and we will click on apply. And in a few moments, we will see our streamlines. So here we have some streamlines for our design. But we will change now the seed type to a point source, and we will place our point source in the inlet of our case. Click on apply. So now we will see, now we can see a few streamlines. I will change the position a little bit like this. We can change the number of points to generate the streamlines over here to, for example, 500. So now more streamlines are showing up. I will change the position a little bit more. So now you can see that not all streamlines are going until the end. That's because the maximum length is set to 0.3 or something. So you can change the maximum streamline length over here. We will set it to 5. Click on apply. And now you can see that our streamlines are going until the end. We will hide our source. And now we will give some 3D dimensions to our streamlines. You can do this with the tube filter. Go to Filters, Alphabetical, select the tube filter, or go to Search, Tube, Enter, and click on Apply. So now our streamlines are 3D with the 3D, have a 3D look. You can change the size over here, the radius of the tubes. We will decrease the radius a little bit, like this. And so now we have visualized our streamlines in 3D. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to give comments or suggestions for new videos, and don't forget to subscribe for our channel.